There's a trick how to learn what the number is. Take a look. First, you open up all four screws. The plate. Take off this one over here. Now you'll see there's two screws over here and over here. Both screws are taken out. This little box should come off easily. Now there's little clips over here on the side. Take a screwdriver and you flip off this cover on top. You flip it off. Now the way you can find out what the number is, there's 5 different wheels. This means that this is for sure not the number because it's in the middle over here. The one that's furthest away, that's probably the first number. And this one's furthest. This one's a little bit closer to the center. And this is even more to the center. So knowing numbers, I would guess it's those two together and the bottom one. Now you see that everything is aligned properly. It's the two top together and separate the one in the bottom. You give a click and it worked.